Good morning, dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at home. I welcome you all in today's online maths class. Dear kids, today we will learn how we add liter and milliliter. So one example is here. Let's see how we add liter and milliliter. The first one is 28 liter 456 milliliter and 35 liter 357 milliliter. So let's see how we add this one. Firstly write liter and milliliter. So how many liters? 28 liters. How many milliliters? 456 milliliter. Here is 35 liters and 357 milliliters. Sign of addition. Start addition from milliliter sides. So 6 plus 7. How much? Tell me. 6 plus 7 is? Yes, 6 plus 7 is 13. So these three we write here and 1 is here. Now 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. In this 10 we add this one. So 10 plus 1 is 11. So this one we write here and this one carry over here. Now 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. In this 7 we add this one. So 7 plus 1 is, yes, 8. Now move to liter side. 8 plus 5. Now you tell me. 8 plus 5 is, yes, 8 plus 5 is 13. This 3 we write here and this one is carry over here. Now 2 plus 3 is 5. In this 5 we add this one. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So what is our answer? Our answer is 63 liter 813 milliliter. Dear kids, let's take some more example how we add liter and milliliter. First one is milliliter is not mentioned there. So what we do? We add only liters. 5 plus 9. Count in your finger and give me the answer. 5 plus 9 is 40. So 4 is here and this one is carry over here. 4 plus 4 is 8 and in this 8 we add this one. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So what is our answer? Our answer is 94 liter. See the next one. Liter is not mentioned here. Milliliter is there. So we add only milliliters. So 2 plus 9 is 11. So this one is here and this one is carry over here. Now 6 plus 7. Count in your finger and give me the answer. Quick fast. 6 plus 7 is, yes, 13. And in this 13 we add this one. So 13 plus 1 is 14. This 4 is here and 1 is carry over here. Now 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. So we write here 8. So what is our answer? Our answer is 841 milliliter. See the next one. Add starting from milliliter side. 0 plus 7. 0 plus 7 is, अगर हम किसी नंबर में 0 को ऐड करते हैं तो what is our answer? Answer is number itself. So we write here 7. Now 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is, yes, 6 plus 4 is 10. So this 0 we write here and this one is carry over here. Now 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is how much? Give me. Yes, 3 plus 4 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. Move to liter side. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is, yes, 8. So what is our answer? Our answer is 8 liter 807 milliliter. See the next one. Start addition from milliliter side. 5 plus 4. 4 is, yes, 5 plus 4 is 9. So, and 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is 30. So, these 3 we write here and this one is carry over here. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6 and this 6 we add this one. So, 6 plus 1 is 7. Move to liter side. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 is, yes, 3 plus 7 is 10. 0 is here and 1 is carry over here. Now 0 plus 6 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So what is our answer? Our answer is 370 liter 739 milliliter. Dear kids, you learn how we add liter and milliliter. Let's see how we subtract liter and milliliter. One example is here. 37 liter 355 milliliter from 94 liter 755 milliliter. So how we subtract? We subtract always smaller number from bigger number. हम हमेशा बड़े नंबर में से smaller number को subtract करते हैं. तो firstly we write liter and milliliter. So with 37 and 94, which one is bigger number? 94. So firstly we write 94 liter 755 milliliter and here is 37 liter 355 milliliter. Sign of subtraction. 5 minus 5 is yes, 0. Again 5 minus 5, 0. Now 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is, yes, 7 minus 3 is 4. Now move to liter side. 4 minus 7 is not possible. So we are taking borrow here to here. So here is 14 and here is 8. 14 minus 7 is 7 and 8 minus 3 is yes, 5. So what is our answer? Our answer is 57 liter 400 milliliter. Kids, let's take some more example how we subtract liter and milliliter. See the first one. Liter is not mentioned here, only milliliter is there. So what we do? We subtract only milliliters. So 2 minus 5 is not possible. Taking borrow, here is 12 and here is 5. Now 12 minus 5, how much? Count in your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In this 12, subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see how much is left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we write here 7. Now 5 minus 9 also not possible. taking borrow, so here is 15 and here is 6. 15 minus 9. Count in your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Subtract 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see how much is left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we write here 6. Now 6 minus 4 is 2. So what is our answer? Our answer is 267 milliliter. See the next one. Subtraction start from milliliter side. 4 minus 6. Not possible. Taking borrow. Right here 14 and here is 3. 14 minus 6. Count in your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This 14 what we subtract? 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we write here 8. 3 minus 7. Not possible. Taking borrow. Here is 13 and here is 7. 13 minus 7. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much we subtract? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see how much is left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we write here 6. Now 7 minus 4 is 3. Move to liter side. 2 minus 8. Not possible. Taking borrow. Here is 12 and here is 3. 12 minus 8. Yes, give me answer. 12 minus 8 is? Yes, 4. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. So what is our answer? Our answer is 14 liter 368 milliliter. See the next one. Start subtraction from milliliter side. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now 2 minus 8. Not possible. Taking borrow. Right here 12. And here is how much left? Yes, 3. 12 minus 8 is how much? 12 minus 8 is 4. And 3 minus 1 is? Give me answer. Yes, 2. Here is move to liter side. 6 minus 7 is not possible. Taking borrow. Here is 16 and here is 0. Now 16 minus 7, count in your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. In this 16 how much? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see how much is left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we write here 9. Write here 9. 0 minus 4 not possible. Taking borrow. Here is 10 and here is 3. 10 minus 4 is? 4 is how much? Yes, 10 minus 4 is 6. Now 3 minus 2 is? 3 minus 2 is 1. So what is our answer? Our answer is 169 liter 240 milliliter. See the next one. 83 liter, 476 milliliter, 42 liter and 333 milliliter. Start from milliliter side. 6 minus 3 is, yes, 3. And 7 minus 3 is, yes, 4. And 4 minus 3 is how much? Yes, 1. Move to liter side. 3 minus 2 is how much? Yes, 1. And 8 minus 4 is how much? Count in your finger. 8 minus 4 is 4. So what is our answer? Our answer is 41 liter 143 milliliter. Dear kids, I hope you understand how we subtract and add liter and milliliter. Thank you. Have a nice day.